Hey everyone, this is Ashley here with Lemongrass Spa, and today I want to show you what is in our $49 Sizzling Summer bundle. With this bundle, you can join our amazing team and family of spa consultants. I have to admit, I've already opened mine before, so I promise when you do receive yours, it will look a little bit better when it's all packed. Okay, so you're going to receive a few full-size products. You're going to get our Spearmint Eucalyptus Prebiotic Body Wash. Prebiotic means health food for your skin. You're going to get our face cream with botanicals. That is my most favorite facial moisturizer. You're going to get another full-size product, the 0.75 ounce Healing Elements stick. Now, Healing Elements is our #1 selling product in all 3 sizes. You can use it on just about anything and everything. You can't live without this baby. Then you're going to get some trial size products. Hydrating facial mask, face cream with tea tree, so that's going to be like for acne prone skin. Ultra hydrating body cream, which is a customer top favorite. Detoxifying charcoal facial mask. Overnight rehab cream with coconut. Our liquid foundation in Fawn. Our detoxifying charcoal facial polish, as well as, I think you can see these from the bag, so I'm just going to leave them. A lavender mint body polish trial and a grapefruit bergamot body polish trial. This one's salt-based, this one's sugar. You're going to get 3 facial cleansers, the cleansing gel for normal to oily, the cleansing gel for normal to dry, and of course the prebiotic facial wash for all skin types. And last but not least, you're going to get this too precious gift set. It's a gift set of our mini body icings. You're going to get, and they've all turned around on me, but you're going to get Lime Splash, Passion Punch, where's the other one? Let's see, Lavender Mint, and my favorite, Island Coconut. Now, we couldn't let you start our company without being prepared with catalogs, right? So you're going to get a 10-pack of our gorgeous magazine style catalog along with a whole set of order forms, and I haven't counted them, but I know there's at least 20. I'm going to open this up. Okay, there we go. So sorry. Some of you might not have ever seen our gorgeous catalog before, so I'm just going to run through some of the pages. It's gorgeous. You'll definitely want to have one in your hand. And if you turn to the back page, you might even find my picture in there. So you'll have 10 catalogs and some order forms. What else do we offer for our new consultants? Well, last but not least, you're going to get some great training tools. You're going to get a Sheer Mineral makeup postcard invitation, so you'll know what they look like, and you can definitely order some if you would like. You're going to get a spa postcard invitation. You're going to receive our Host and Join brochure. I love to give these out to my customers. You're going to get this welcome brochure with lots of pertinent information. It includes, can I tell the wind's blowing? Our Jumpstart Reward Guide, our Lemon Bucks flyer. Oops, it is blowing everywhere. Our compensation plan. Also, information on who to contact at home office for any kind of need that you may have. And just a little run through of what is in our free training website, Lemongrass University. All the information that you will find at your fingertips on Lemongrass University. You're also going to receive a Wow Factor guide. This is information on all of our top sellers and some of their wow factors that you just can't wait to share with your customers and friends. You're going to get a Let's Start a Conversation flyer, because guess what? It's more fun to start this business with friends. You can purchase your kit for $49, host your own launch show, and then use your host rewards towards the price of one of our other kits if you want to build up your stock and your products to have on hand. But you don't have to. You can also just use your host rewards for whatever you would like, but that is an idea. So there's what the other 2 full-size kits look like. And last but not least, you're going to get this new consultant training guide. I love this training guide. It has so much important information in there about how to have parties, how to share the opportunity, how how to coach your host, how to invite your guest, how to set up a success plan, create your list of 100, the Jumpstart program, a checklist for that, as well as information about your virtual office and how to stay connected. So lots of wonderful information. You do not start this business alone. We are here with you, holding your hand every step of the way and supporting you. And you'll also receive some welcome emails from home office. You receive 12 of them with steps on how to start your business successfully. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in.